Welcome to our Spalding spelling lesson. The first thing you will do on the boom card is listen to the sound of the word. If you need it repeated, you can press here. The next thing you will do is spell out the word using the keyboard. If the letters are correct, you will hear a bell. If the letters are incorrect, you will hear a buzzer. After you've spelled the word, D-A-Y, day. Last, type in the word at the bottom. D-A-Y. If you make a mistake, click the backspace. You can start the entire word again. D-A-Y. Click submit, and you're through.